Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, there's on PCs pretty much three choices you can have um, in an operating system. Well, four if you count that you can also turn it into a Chromebook if you wish. But, there's a lot of talk about my operating system is better than yours. Linux users are really good at that. For a long time, Mac users were also very good at that. We don't have that fight as much now with Mac users. They're not. There used to be that really heavy moment where Mac users were thought they were superior to everybody on Windows. It's not that much of a thing anymore. We don't really hear much of that anymore, although there is still some of that friction. And it's funny because everybody thinks they're better than others when in reality, whatever you use is fine. You know, if you're on Windows, I'm a Windows guy for multiple reasons. And one of the major ones is that with all that I do, the choice of software and hardware and the ease of connecting all of it because it's what dominates is simple and it just works. And that makes me want to use Windows. And that's it. Um, I've used a lot of Linux distros, and I mean, there are beautiful distros out there. There are distros that are just great. Some that are for someone that is used to going through operating systems and changes. Some are, yes, almost as easy to use as Windows, but that extends to a certain limit because it is not true that once you're into a distro that when you want to do more complex stuff, it stays easy. Um, just look at installing some of the software for some of the hardware. That becomes very complicated for majority of people. Um, you know, there's some really nice stuff. One of the I think the big forces of Linux distros is that there are many distros that if you have an aging PC, it might actually kind of revive that PC into something that is still usable on the internet, and that is great. And I see a lot of people here saying, "Well, you just hate Linux," and I don't. That's your way of saying I hate Linux. That's what you think, because you feel that I attack you when I say things about Linux that you're not happy with. And I don't understand that because you know what? I'm just talking about an operating system. I'm not actually yelling at you. Um, so there's some interesting stuff, but it for the average user, it still is. You know, I have a hard time for some of the things because some people say, "Well, my mom's using Linux now and she loves it." Yeah, okay, but she just does a little something. I don't even understand why she has a PC if all she does is email, for example. She should be running an iPad or something. Um, because there are things where a PC becomes irrelevant, whatever operating system you're using. Um, but it's nice to go and check out the Linux distros. Anybody that has the knowledge, you got a PC lying around, does nothing, go and check them out. There's as many different branches of families and distros that you'll have, for months and months of trying different distros that some of them are real beautiful to play with. And only you can understand if that works for you, basically. It ain't replacing Windows, and it's not going to replace Windows in the next years. That is obvious, and a lot of Linux users don't understand. They're not in the real world of the operating systems. I've had a MacBook Pro for close to 10 years, and I mean, I didn't hate the environment. I didn't hate the MacBook environment and a Mac OS or OS X, which were called back then. And it was a nice, experience. Once again, it limits to when you're starting to get a power user that has very specific hardware, software, things like that. That's where a Mac became, no, I don't want to. I don't want to be on a Mac because there's not enough choice of software and not enough choice of anything that I need for the hardware software that I am using, and that is a big problem. And this is the equivalent for Linux. It's why people are using Windows. Well, people are using Windows a lot because they've been using it for a long time and they're staying, of course. But they're using it also if they have special hardware, software, or any requirements. Windows comes true and basically has way more choices most of the time for any given option. So it makes Windows a great operating system for that. For the rest, whatever you have is be happy. And like I said, stop annoying others. Linux ain't better than Windows, and Windows ain't better than Mac OS. Mac OS ain't better than Linux and Windows. It's all true. They're all operating systems, but none of them is better than the other. Okay? This is where people have it wrong. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.